Hello all, my name is Krishna Priya. Welcome back to my channel DC Course. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete introduction to on digital marketing, like what it is exactly and who can learn this course and what are the different job opportunities you can find out in digital marketing and few digital marketing modules and finally course key features. So now let's get started. Digital marketing. Fine. So many people might have heard about this, like on YouTube videos or blogs on the social medias. Wherever you go, you are just finding out the digital marketing. And let me just get a views from your end. So Jason, could you please tell me what is digital marketing? Like, have you heard about this?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
I've
ma'am.
heard about it.
Okay, could you please let me know what are your views? According to you, what is digital marketing?
Ma'am, digital marketing is basically marketing your business or brand or be it your personal being on the internet because the
Wow.
scope of market and people are very high over there. So
Mm-hmm.
you choose to market online on the digital medium
Very good, very good. Fine. So why this? Why this?
because
Digital marketing.
because the scope of audience is higher and many
Mm-hmm.
people are active on it.
Nice explanation, Jason. Now, see, before we talk about digital marketing, let me talk about traditional marketing. So earlier we used to, not earlier, yes, of course, still now we are facing the advertisements. Have you ever noticed ads on TVs? Hmm? Ads on televisions while you were watching movies or serials on TV? Newspaper.
Yes, yes,
Yes, right. So while you listen to a radios, and if you go out, especially in Hyderabad, so it's a like lot of crowded people. So we can see a big billboards. So where on the billboards we can advertise mostly Chandana Brothers, Kala, these all people advertise on billboards. Have you ever noticed
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
billboards? Yeah. So now let us talk about this. How much time you spend watching TV per day, Narendra? Could you please tell me how much time you'll spare in general?
Maybe 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours. Oh, fine.
Okay, yeah.
So Jason, tell me how much time you spend.
Maximum 2 to 3 hours, ma'am.
Okay, what you will do with that 2 to 3 hours? Do you watch serials,
No, we play
news,
video games.
movie? So earlier we used to depend on TV much, right? So for everything we used to rely on TVs, like for serials, movies, news, music, everything, right? So now if I wants to watch a TV, what is the purpose of watching a TV? Just for entertainment, right? Yes or
Yes,
no? Entertainment. So
yes,
now if I wants to watch a TV, I mean if I wants to watch any movie, do I need to rely only on TV? No,
no.
right? So I have a Netflix, I have Prime. So a lot of OTT platforms available. If you
Yes,
just have a one mobile phone, the complete world is in your hands, right?
yes,
Is in your fingerprints. Now coming to a newspaper, earlier for every house, people used to get a newspaper, right? Daily in the morning. So
yes,
now anyone getting a newspaper? Are you guys reading the newspaper?
yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, we did.
Oh, still. Okay, fine. So how do you read the news on your mobile phone or a newspaper?
Both, ma'am. We are
Both.
dependent on both. Yes.
Fine, fine. So, but the usage of a newspaper is getting decreased or not?
Yes, yes, fair enough.
Why? Because people are not feeling interested. Why? Because if everything is available at their mobile phone, so why they have to purchase the newspaper and read it? Yes or no? So whereas if you get it on online, you can save that news, you can share it, right? You can take a screenshot so that you have a lot of plenty of options online. So no newspaper even. And coming to a radio, it's a kind of music, news and all. If I wants to listen to music, I can just download a music app. Am I correct?
Yes.
Do I need to listen to a radio? Not at all. So you have a plenty of apps available online. Then coming to a billboards, what is the point of advertising on billboards if no one is coming out? And take this pandemic, a very great example. Due
Yes.
to this pandemic, people are not going outside. So what is the point of advertising on billboards?
Fair
No
enough.
point, right? So that is the reason this traditional marketing has dead. I can say it's dead. Okay, for few businesses it is still going on, but not that effective. Whereas why this traditional marketing is done? Because everyone is moving online, right? So people are spending much of their time online. Because why they are spending much of their time online? Due to the cheap internet. So in India, tell me whether the internet is cheap or not. Hmm? Yeah.
Maybe.
Is it cheap? Of course it is cheap, right? So for 16 rupees, I can say that for 16 rupees, we are getting a 1 GB data per day. It's so cheap, I can say. Due to this cheap internet and affordable mobile phones. So are we able to afford the mobile phones?
Yes.
Obviously, right? So earlier at in home, if there are four people, only one person used to have a smartphone. And earlier it was like having a smartphone was like very big deal. So now in a home, how many people are there? For everyone, they should have a smartphone. It's compulsory, right? Even a seventh class student also having a mobile phone. And this pandemic brought a very great example again. So due to this pandemic, students wants to attend the online classes. So if there are no mobile phones at home, so definitely they have to purchase the mobile phone or tablet or laptop, right? So
Yes.
due to these affordable devices and cheap internet, so people are moving online. For everything, they are depending online. So that is the reason we are moving online. We, in the sense, marketers. This is what marketing, right? In general, marketing means reaching out to people where they are spending much of their time. Earlier, they used to spend much of the time watching TVs, reading a newspaper. That's the reason we have advertised on TVs, newspaper, radios, blah, blah, blah. Now, as we know that they are spending much of their time on Google, social medias, YouTube, email. So now, as a marketer, I'm using all those sources to reach out my audience, right? That is what simple definition of digital marketing. Digital marketing means we are using some digital tools to reach out audience. That's it. Okay. So who can learn this course? Can anyone tell me? Now here I have two entrepreneurs who have not two entrepreneurs, three. So Jason, you are having a consultancy, and Narendra also having a overseas consultancy, and Venkat, you have a cameras business. So I have a three entrepreneurs, and few others are students, working professionals. So I have a different categorized to people over here. So why do you think is it going to useful for you guys? Who can learn this course? So before I tell this who can learn this course, I'll tell you a small story if you don't mind. Do you want me to tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Okay. So we have a salon shop beside. So it was like very famous salon shop. Like everyone used to visit his salon shop. That was like seriously going well. So what happened is due to this corona, due to this pandemic, his shop got closed. Okay. And he was that was the only source where he depends for earning money, like that was the only source for generating revenue for him. But due to the shop got closed, like he faced a lot of financial issues. But he reached out me, like he found some videos on digital marketing, he found somewhere digital marketing, and he reached out me. But he don't know exactly I'm the trainer, but he knows that I'm just doing some job, but he don't exactly know that I'm a trainer. So he asked me that, hey Krishna Priya, could you please help me out, like wherever I go, wherever I browse the internet, so I'm just seeing this in digital marketing, and explain please. So I have given him the complete details about this digital marketing and all. I gave him clear idea. So after getting to know about this digital marketing, he want to recruit two digital marketers for his business. He has an idea to start a business like Urban Clap. So anyone know about this Urban Clap?
Yes, yes.
So they do provide a home services like saloon services at home, AC repairings or any repairings, beauty parlor at home, right? So if you just book, they'll visit your home and they'll finish all your requirements, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So as he is into already salon shop, I mean salon business, he know how to do all those things. And he wants to start with such kind of urban lab near his areas. And I gave him like, and he told me to recruit a 2 digital marketers. And I told him that if he wants to recruit a digital marketer initially, at least you have to pay 30,000 for experienced candidate. So if you recruit a 2 experienced candidate, 30, overall 60,000 you have to invest every month. So I said him, are you able to afford 60,000? Oh, he said that, no, I cannot do that. I'm not, I cannot afford that. So I told him that better you learn this course. If you learn this course, you can do it on yourself. So as he's free now, he don't have any other works to do with. So he can completely concentrate on his business with the digital marketing. And he said that, no, how I can do this? I just finished my intermediate. So he just finished his intermediate and that was his dad's business. So he was trying to continue that. So he said that, no, I cannot do this. I don't have any knowledge about this digital marketing and all. I said him that there are no prerequisites, right? So if you know how to browse the internet, if you know a minimum sense of using internet, and that's fine. You can happily opt for this course. Okay. There are no prerequisites that you should come from exactly this background, you should have exactly this knowledge, nothing like that. So a student can learn this course, a person who is looking for job, and working professionals like till now, whoever I trained, most of my students are like 90% of my students are working professionals, mostly. Like, they were simply like, so satisfaction with their career and they want to switch. Switching a domain would be like so difficult, guys. Okay. Already you were into some field which you had a lot of experience, and switching from one domain to another domain like would be very difficult. And digital marketing makes it very easier for them. That's the reason mostly working professionals chooses this course. So then entrepreneurs now, as I said, a very good example for the entrepreneurs, especially. Why? Because entrepreneurs also have a responsibility to learn this course. Because yes, of course, I can say that you won't be able to do it all alone. So you need to recruit few people, but better you have a knowledge on this business too, so that we shouldn't be blind about the marketing. So housewives even. So why I am saying housewives? Yeah. Any idea about this housewife? I mean, so why am I including the housewives? So housewife will be having.
They can work from home, right?
Work from
Laptop
home.
and internet.
Very good, very good. So housewife, they might be having an ample of time after finishing their homeworks and all, right? For housewife, they might be stopped their career due to some kids or due to some marriages. If they want to prove themselves, they need to step out of their homes to do some jobs and all. But with the digital marketing, they don't need to step out of their homes, leaving all the responsibilities. They can happily work from home, right? So I can say that only eligibility required is that interest. So if you have an interest and zeal to learn this course, then you can happily opt for this. Hello, your voice is breaking. Okay, chalo. So now I just gave you a clear idea like what it is and who can learn this course and what are the different opportunities we have in digital marketing. So obviously, job as a student after finishing your graduation. If you're looking for job, then you can do this business. You can also start the business with this digital marketing. Okay. So earlier it was very big deal for us to start a business. Now it becomes so easy. Why? Because everything is available at our fingerprints. Starting a business and doing freelancing also. So no, you don't want to work under someone else and you don't even want to start your business. Like, you're the own boss for your business. I mean, for your projects. So simply get clients and do digital marketing, happily work from home. So different ways you can choose with the digital marketing. Okay. So now let me just give you a simple structure about the modules. So our first session start with web design. Okay. So Narendra, you have a website, right? So why you are having a website? So I can see. Mhm.
Yeah, to have our presence on internet,
Okay,
World Wide Web.
fine,
Yeah.
fine.
And to to have our information regarding our services.
Okay, very good. Very,
It's
so
easy to
simply to have
reachable
a
to the client.
presence.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Why our first session starts with a website designing is okay. Earlier, assume that we were in 1980s, okay, 1940s. At that time, there was no digital marketing. So tell me if you wants to start some business.
Yeah, I
So
go to the
mhm,
colleges, universities to conduct a seminars. I will physically reach to them
physically reach to them like face-to-face marketing.
face to face. Yeah, conduct
Mm,
seminars, campaigns, workshops,
mm,
distributing flyers.
flyers.
Yeah,
Why? Fine, very fine. So let's say you are issuing a pamphlets, assume that, or else you are giving a seminars in the colleges.
yeah,
So finally, where they have to reach out, Narendra? So let's say a person interested by seeing your pamphlets, a
yeah.
person is interested to inquire about your business. So
Yes.
finally, where they will reach out?
In 1940s,
Mhm.
maybe they were not used to have phones also, right? Mobile phones
Yes,
also not there.
yes.
So
So
they used to directly they physically they come to the office. There is no
office,
choice.
right?
Yeah,
There is no choice. Shop
there's
and
no
a
choice.
store, right?
Yeah,
So you are having a store. When you have a store only, it is useful, right? So
yeah,
whatever the marketing you do, whether you issue the pamphlets or do a seminars, so finally where they have to reach out to your shop. Am I right?
yeah, yeah.
So here also the same way, whatever the marketing I do, finally where people have to reach out me, finally where people will see that who am I? Through the website only. Okay, so website I will consider it as a heart of digital marketing. So actually no one includes this part in a digital marketing, but from my end website is must and should for a digital marketer or for any business, whether it's a real estate, consultancy, blogging, e-commerce, whatever, they should have a website, right? So that's the reason our first session starts with a designing. Here I'm going to teach you how to create a three types of websites: a service oriented websites, a blogging websites, and e-commerce websites. Okay, right. And our next module gonna be SEO. So anyone have an idea about this SEO? Do anyone have an idea? Anil, do you
Yeah.
have any idea about SEO? Yes. Yes, Venkat. Finally, I can hear you, Venkat.
Search engine optimization, right, madam?
Very good. It's a search engine optimization. Fine. What it is. So I can say this is one of the module that we use for reaching out audience. Okay, this is not only the module, but this is one of the modules. Okay, what it is, simply I'll tell you a small example. I have a two choices, that is to construct a shop in a crowded area and to construct a shop in a remote area. Okay, so now Venkat and Narendra, you both have a businesses in Kukatpalli. Okay, Kukatpalli is a crowded area, that's fine. You have a two options to choose to construct your store, whether it in a crowded area and remote area. Let's take a remote area is Alwal. Assume that it's like outskirts. Crowded area Kukatpalli. So which one you would choose in general?
Crowded area,
Which
right?
one you would choose?
Crowded
Why
area.
why you want to choose a crowded area?
Because we want to get noticed by as many people as
Mhm.
right. So if we are
Okay,
in
fine. So
crowded
I have
area,
one more
so
choice. Mhm. Okay, so one more choice I have. So if you want to construct the shop in a crowded area, you have an option of choosing a very small space. And if it is in a remote area, you have like very huge space to construct your store. Though which option you'll choose? Though which option? Crowded or remote?
still crowded only.
Still crowded, right? So why? Because if
Yeah.
you construct a very big shop with beautiful walls decorated with flowers and all, but no one is visiting your shop. Why? Because it is in somewhere in the outskirts. If you have a small shop with the quality products in the crowded area also, that would make sense, right? So that is what simply SEO I can say. Okay, let's say I'm searching for a overseas education consultants. So I'm searching for like this. So here I can see lot of results. So which result people will be clicking on in general? Which result people will click?
First top 10, top 5.
10, top 5, top 10. So if people requires more and more, information, they may go to top 15, like second page, third page, fourth page, even bottom. Have you ever been to second page anytime?
Very rare.
Very rare. Third page.
If that is, if we want more information, then we sometimes
Okay.
we get to.
Obviously, see this as why this digital marketing is booming. Can you tell me the simple reason? Because people are becoming so lazy, right? So people don't want to click all these things. They just want some great information in the top results. That's it, right? And people don't even have a time to click all the bottom results, and they don't want to, go with the very bottom results. So at the time, what is the point of having a website in the 9th page? Is there any use having a website in the 9th page?
Not at all.
Not at all. So now does my example suits here? Having a website in the very bottom is equals to having a shop in a remote area, and having a website in a top sections of a Google is equals to having a shop in a crowded area. As every business wants to be in a crowded area, the same here, every website wants to be in a on top section of Google, right? So that is what simply SEO here. I'm going to teach the techniques. Okay, so how you can rank up the websites on top of a Google so that you can drive a organic traffic to your site. Okay, so under this we have a lot of sub items. I just don't want to discuss all those sub items. So why? Because if I go and talk about the complete sub items, the complete day won't be sufficient for us. Okay? So our next module gonna be Google Ads. Oh, can you see now an advertisement right over here?
Yes, ma'am. We are
Hotcoursesabroad.com, right? So this guy, what he's doing, he's just paying money to Google and placing his ad on top. So like this, advertisements comes under these Google ads. So here we are going to play some tricks, like with a small budget, with the lowest bidding, how we can be on top. So how we can attract the audience, all those tricks. Not only these ads. Have you ever noticed ads in the websites?
Hmm?
Yes, madam. On the left
Okay.
side, right side.
Fine. Very good. So can you see these advertisements here? Bluehost, and here I can see Nykaa. Okay.
Yes,
So why this Nykaa ad is appearing in NDTV?
yes, display ads.
Very good. Very good. So those are like banner ads, guys.
Yes.
So Narendra, you tell me, before this Uber and Ola come into existence, do you know about this Uber and Ola? Did we got to know
No.
about? No, right? No one knows. Like how people got to know then Uber and Ola about these things? Jason?
Through digital only.
Through digital. So this Uber and Ola had run this type of advertisements. Wherever people go, they are just going, showing such kind of ads. Now Zomato see, Swiggy see, they are completely depending on advertisements. Why? Because it's like branding. Okay, so when you are in the initial stages and when you feel like your business is not known by many people, so initially you can go with such kind of advertisement, so people people will able to recognize your business. So that is how you have to advertise. Now here, why Nykaa ad is appearing means I have browsed these products in Nykaa actually today in the morning. So what they are doing, can you say? They are remarketing. They are, I mean, like, I have added this product to cart in the morning. So, but I didn't purchase it. So they are trying to follow me wherever I go. Like if I open Truecaller, they are showing me the same ads. If I open some mobile application, they are showing me the same ads. That means
Yes.
they are doing the remarketing. Yes. It's like Hutchdog following wherever people goes, right? So that also we can do with a remarketing advertisement. So if you know that someone is interested in your products, done. I'm not gonna leave them. I'm continuously ready to torture them by showing my advertisements. Okay. So, and coming to the YouTube ads, nowadays we are very much familiar with that, right? Whenever you are about to open any video on YouTube, so you can see the ad displaying. So after 5 seconds, we can skip it, right? So all these advertisements nowadays, whatever the advertisement you are seeing right away online, that are created using Google Ads. Okay. So in this session, we are going to talk about complete advertisement sections. The next thing is social media. Okay, fine. How many of you use the social medias here?
Me.
Okay, so 1. Next.
Myself.
Very good. 2. Next.
Myself, madam.
3. Oh. No other? Okay, so tell me, what are the platforms you use daily? FB?
Yes,
Uh,
Facebook and Instagram.
Instagram? Very good.
Facebook, Instagram,
Mhm.
Twitter.
Twitter, nice. Snapchat, LinkedIn,
Yes, LinkedIn. Yes.
Pinterest.
Yes.
Okay,
It is.
so I don't think so. I should talk much about this social media. Why? Because we are not new to a social medias, right? So
Yes.
we know how to use them all. But till now, whatever you have used, so you might be just, uploaded your profile picture, or you might have liked a few people or shared some stuff, right? So other than that, have you done anything extras in the social medias?
No.
Yeah. So that things we're gonna learn here. So how to use social medias professionally for our businesses. So if you know how to use professionally, then when you work for a client and then you work for any business, so you would be able to drive a traffic. So this is also one of the vast module I can say where people spend much of their time. Yeah, so how to run ads on social medias, how to remarket on social medias, and followers and likes. So followers and likes, it's like dumb thing actually. So we need to develop the fans, of course. So here we're gonna teach you influencer marketing also. Influencer marketing means you might have an idea, right? Do you have any idea about influencer marketing? No?
No.
Okay.
No,
Take
madam.
take an Instagram only. For example, let's say you found a boy, okay, or else a lady who have a 1 million followers in her Instagram page. So what you will do is you'll reach out her. Hey, could you please promote my business in Instagram page? So what she will do, so she will talk about the CC cameras, or she will talk about the overseas education, like whoever wants to go abroad and learn in abroad. So like she will just mention the Instagram ID of yours in their description, her description. Let's say if that video or if that reel or IGTV watched by 1 lakh people, let's say out of 1 million, 1 lakh people may watch her video. Out of 1 lakh, maybe thousands may reach out in your Instagram page. Out of thousands, hundreds or people who are interested, so they may reach out you, inquire about your business. So this is called influencer. Many companies, businesses are depending on these influencer marketing. So recently I found this influencer marketing about this Medicover. What is that hospital? I don't remember. Medicover, did you know that Medicover hospital in Hyderabad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so yes. So people are doing this affiliate marketing on Medico. What this Medico have done? They reached out to influencer and they asked to promote this Medico hospital in their Instagram page. So what they will do now, if you have a heart problem, if you have any problem, so we have a great hospital in Hyderabad, you can reach out them. So even I got to know this about Medicover through that influencer marketing, right? So that type of marketing also we can do with our social media. It's really going so well. Okay. And next thing is email marketing. This is like a very good module for content marketing. So you can turn your potential customers into buying customers. Okay. So now let's say Jason is interested in my training services, but he didn't join the course yet. Now what I'll do, I'll torture him, I'll go on send him mails, and one day he will convert. So he's into my potential customer list. So finally, after doing a lot of email marketing, then he got, he joined my course. So email marketing is very good marketing when you have a data. Okay, so here we're gonna teach you all the techniques, like how we can create a campaigns and how well we can reach out them with a successful messages. So what type of niche it is very, very important. So all these things we're gonna teach. And next module gonna be Google Analytics. Okay. So Google Analytics. Jason, I need an answer from your end now.
Yes, ma'am.
Jason, you are having a consultancy. You have a shop, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You daily 9 a.m. you'll open your shop, and at 6 p.m. you'll close your shop. You'll just open it and close it, or are you going to analyze how many people inquired about your business, how many people visited your shop? Like, are you going to analyze it or?
Yes, yes.
Okay, why do you analyze? What is the point of analyzing? Why do you want to waste your time? Mm-hmm.
See,
Okay.
analyzation gives you the result and how you are performing presently. It shows you where you stand, whether it is a positive or negative outcome.
Nice. So what you'll do after knowing all those outcomes, like,
We'll try to make it better. Every day is new day to make it better.
Yes. So according to that only, right, we'll get to know where we are lacking and where we are performing well, right?
Yes.
So, and this is like very interesting topic in digital marketing. So here, this is how the interface of Google Analytics looks like. Okay. So how to analyze the website performance very well. This is like overall performance of a website, from where you are getting a traffic, what is the demographics, what is the age group, gender, so from which area you're getting a more traffic, so how many people you are reaching out, so daily, monthly, 30 days data, 1 year data also you can see. Okay, so here I'm going to teach you all those tactics. Yeah. Okay, so finally under this we have a Google Ads Editor, Google Merchant Center, Google Search Console. So a lot of sub modules have been included here. If you want to do a job or start promoting a business online or do some freelancing, you will be working on all these modules, guys. So each and every module is going to be very helpful for you. So now I'm going to talk about some extra things. How to earn money online. Yeah, I don't know, entrepreneurs may be interested in such kind of things. Anyhow, affiliate marketing. Have you heard about this anytime? Affiliate marketing?
No, never.
Never. Okay. YouTube marketing?
Yes. YouTube marketing.
Yes. Yes. Affiliate marketing, what it is in simple language, I'll tell you. So in our language, I'll tell you. Let's say Venkat is there. So Venkat, you joined my course. You joined my course and you finished my course. It's done. Now what you will do is, I will ask you that Venkat, in your circle, if anyone are interested in, learning digital marketing, you please refer. Okay. So here I'm asking you to promote my business in your circle. Let's say in your circle, if someone joins my course, I'll be giving you a commission. Okay. So that means both are benefiting or not. If you are promoting my business, I'm getting a lead and you're getting a commission from my end. This is what in simple affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing can be used for two people, a person who wants to earn money and a person who wants to sell the products. So in digitally, how it is going on, let me show you. Say first, if I want to take, join some, if I want to take some services from overseas education, first of all, I'll see that what is this overseas and how it gonna be useful for me. I'll do some research. The same here, I searched for a best headphones under 1,000 rupees. And this guy is ranking India's best selling headphones under 1,000. Okay. So he has a video. So why not? Let's just, start watching the video.
Introducing Speechelo, the
So
most
what is
natural
this?
sounding text-to-speech
What is
software on the
this?
market.
GetSpeechelo.com. This is an ad, right? So we
Yes.
have a skip option. So we are going to see how to create such kind of ads and how to bid for these ads. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this right now. So he'll start, telling me about all the stuff. Okay,
एक और
finally.
वीडियो
So
आ
I
गई
don't
है
want to listen
आज
to
मैंने
him right now. So let's see what he will tell in the description. I mean, entire the video. So he's taking, he's talking about some headphones. He'll tell some pros and cons about the product. Okay. So in these headphones, we don't have noise cancellation. In these headphones, we have this. Finally, what he will tell, if you wants to purchase the product, click the, link in the description below. So now whoever watched the video, they may scroll down and they may click this. And finally, here we got it. Oh, he's not doing affiliate marketing. Yes, he's a genuine guy. Let's go with another guy. He's not doing affiliate marketing. So how? Okay, so now this guy is there. Let me see whether he's doing affiliate marketing or not. Oh, yeah. So let me click this link. So he has a name Sony MDR product name, and let me click this. So where it is taking me? It is taking me to so where it is taking me? Yeah. So Flipkart, right?
Yes.
So Flipkart, that means why he has to promote Flipkart products? Why? And here Amazon is also there. Let me click that. So why he has to do that? What benefit? So this much of time he's spending just to review the products. What benefit he will get?
Affiliate marketing is that, right?
Yeah. So now yes. In generally in general words, if I wants to tell you, so he has partnered with the Amazon and Flipkart now, and if someone purchases the product through his referral ID, Amazon will give him a commission, Flipkart will give him a commission. So now what happened is that Amazon is using all the interfaces now. It is using the advertisers and it is also using the people nowadays. Not only Amazon, a lot of people. A lot of people are using, like not a lot of businesses are using this affiliate marketing. And even you guys also can do that affiliate marketing. So you can make people to partner with your business. When someone sell your services, you can give them commission. So this is like affiliate marketing. So how many businesses are into affiliate marketing? How we can start up with affiliate marketing? For this, you don't need to work under someone else. You don't need to do some freelancing. You don't need to start a business. You can happily have one website and start earning money by just sitting at home. Okay, so this is a very cool idea. Seriously, like if you are interested, so you can earn lot of money. I'm not saying that once you started learning it from the next day onwards, you will start millions of dollars. No, everything you require some hard work, patience. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And coming to the YouTube marketing, so I don't think so I need to talk much about this as well. So here he is earning money in two ways. Can you tell me? One is affiliate marketing and YouTube one. Yes.
Yeah.
So he no need to work under someone else, in fact. So he'll just continue. Here, personal branding is also happening. YouTube marketing is not only for earning money, it is also for promoting a business. Okay, so AC's now Anu's CC cameras are there. Like you can have the YouTube channel and you can shoot all your products and you can do some videos on YouTube, and overseas educations also. You have a plenty of options for creating the videos and post it on YouTube channel. So from there, nowadays, people are using YouTube more than search engine. Now tell me, if you want to know how to prepare biryani, which one you will choose rather? Search engine or YouTube?
YouTube. Yeah.
Definitely, right? YouTube have we can grasp the content easily with a YouTube. So
Yes.
I can bet in future, no one goes with a search engine. I can say that, people don't have a patience of reading the lengthy contents, but if you still need lot of clarity, definitely have to depend on search engines. This, of course, YouTube is also fine. And YouTube is considered as a top most digital marketing trends in 2021. So here we're going to teach you how to edit the videos and how to properly use some tools here for YouTube's and how to start marketing. And Google AdSense. So now NDTV is there. See now why NDTV has to accept the ads instead of showing the others advertisements. They could have shown some more news on top section, right? So why they are accepting the ads? And it's completely irrelevant. Nika is there. Why they have to promote Nika ad in their website? Why do you think so?
Affiliate marketing, I think.
This is called Google AdSense. Yeah. So the NDTV is earning money with those advertisements only. So assume that it is same like a news channel. So
Okay.
why everyone are having a news channel? Because they can opt for the advertisements. Like you can see when you open a news channel, you can see a lot of advertisements scrolls right side, the bottom, on top section. Yeah. Through that, news channels are earning money. And same here. So newspaper editors, how they are earning money, how they are generating a revenue through these advertisements.
Yes.
So now NDTV is also earning money with the Google AdSense. If you just have a one website, you have a lot of ways to start earning money. Okay. So this is for a people who don't want to work under someone else, who don't want to go for office. I'm not saying that, who don't want to. So I can say that if you are doing job also parallelly, you can, adjust the things. Let's say you are doing 9 to 6 p.m. job, and in the remaining time you want to prove yourself and do some personal brandings. This would help you a lot. Okay. Yeah. So this is completely an overview about digital marketing modules and what are the things we're going to teach you, etc. So let me just give you a simple key features about our course. It's a 2 months duration program plus 3 months of internship. So why we have added this recently, we have added this 3 months of internship. Why? Because our main intention is to provide some practical knowledge. Practical or digital marketing itself and a practical. It's not a theory like a social where we write something, you dictate something and all. No, everything you have to do it. Now website designing is there. We're gonna provide one website for free. You don't need to purchase the website and do experiments on your new website. No. So here we are giving you website for free. So where you can do all of your experiments in this website. I mean, you can start doing SEO, Google Ads for this site. And next is 10 plus global certifications. Of course, certification doesn't matter if you don't have a knowledge. Bunch of certifications can't do anything, right? So for people who still believe in these certifications, for them we provide our 10 plus global certifications directly from our Google and 100% placement. So job placement, we don't have any worries about this job placement. Now here Narendra is there. So Narendra is looking for one fresher now. So I can happily notice this to my students and someone will apply like this. Like this daily 5 to 10 people will reach out us to have a freshers and experience. Like getting a job is not a big deal, but only one thing I suggest my student is to grab a knowledge first of all. Okay, so remove that job thing in your brain and start concentrating on the subject. Automatically you will get job, right? So why? Because everyone need a digital marketer now. So now here Anu CC, they need a digital marketer. Jutes, they need a digital marketer. And Exodus also need digital marketer, right? So now in the demo section only, I have a few examples over here. So there is nothing to worry about this job. Job is compulsory. And we do provide a recorded materials daily. So daily the live sessions will be going on like this. And our live sessions will be recorded. So if you miss any day, so we're going to help you with recorded material so that you can reach out us if you have any doubts later. Right? Yes.